Yeah, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother. Bow, bro. It's your boy Pit Mob. You know the vibes, man. So, quick little video today. I got my camera over here too on the zoom. Quick little video today. Just wanted to pretty much break down some trades for this week, all on the same zone, all on the same level. Just pretty much showing you guys that there's ways to not overcomplicate trading, right? There's just ways to take trading a little more serious and keep it simple, right? Like, you don't have to. I remember like first when I started trading, I used to chase a lot of trades. Now I don't do that, you know. Trading could do whatever it does. I have no emotions whatsoever while I'm trading, and I just wait for them to come to a zone and I take the trade off that zone. And I want to show how perfect these longs and both these shorts played out off the same exact zone this week, just to pretty much break down how simple you can make trading, you know what I'm saying, if you're trading off a zone of supply and demand, right? Using price action. It's just, this week was fucking beautiful, bro. If you're not joined on my Discord, you're not catching signals with me, y'all not making money with me, you're missing out. I'm gonna put that link down below. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up to date with my trades. I'm gonna try to make a little more videos on these breakdowns, and let's get right to it. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see what it is I'm looking at right here. We got US 30, and I got it on the 5-minute chart, right? So let's start with this trade, right? I have a daily level. These red horizontal lines here mark my daily levels, right? So I have a daily level here and I have a daily level here. When I'm trading in between these zones, I tend not to take trades. I try to wait for a break below this daily level here, or a break above this daily level here, at least for me. That's just what works for me, you know. What works for me might not be the same what works for you. I'm just here to break it down for you guys, show you that trading could be much simpler than what people make it seem. So this was earlier on the week we caught this trade, right? I have a daily demand zone here. We closed above, bullish engulfed on the 5-minute candle, right? Had this floor here, didn't want to break, respected that daily zone, right? Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit better. There you guys go. And then once we got that full closure above, we took the longs right off this bullish engulfing. My targets were all the way up here, which was a previous resistance, right, on the daily, on the higher time frames. I believe it was the 4 hours. And my stops were 17 pips away. Pretty much zero drawdown on that trade. And we smashed targets, right, on the live with the team, right? Now that's one trade on the week. Now let's move forward to the next day. Literally the next day we came faked out, right? This was prior to market open, right? So prior to market open, we had a fake out, push below this daily level, right? So I was potentially looking for shorts, honestly, but right as market open, we had a freaking bullish engulfing candle, broke all structures and pushed all the way up here, right? So I simply waited for the pullback, right? And then seeing this floor being built on the smaller time frame. So on the minute, you can kind of see that play out a little more beautiful, right? Let's go back to the 5 and make sure I don't miss that trade. Okay, cool. And then on the 5 minutes, I entered right on this candle, this bearish candle that failed to close below. Then we had a bullish engulfing candle after that. So me and my team were like, okay, cool, this is perfect, this is working out. My stops were at roughly 26 pips stop in this trade. Never came back to my stops. My targets were literally the same exact targets that I had targeted the week before at this 4-hour resistance, right? Also a daily resistance. So higher time frame resistances just correlate to one another perfect, right? So there you go, 2 trades off the same zone on the same week, same exact results. Now we have the 3rd trade of this week from this zone. Like I said, I don't really tend to trade in between my daily zones. I try to wait for closure below. So look how beautiful this trade played out. This was caught yesterday, right? Live with my team, with my Discord members. We came below this daily level, right? Once we came below, we came back and retested that's where my entries were at that retest of that level. My targets were the previous lows, right, on the higher time frames. And then look how fucking beautiful that shit got smashed, got there. Probably pushed an extra, let's see, I mean, I was already out my position by then, pushed an extra 24 pips in that direction, and then turned right back around. So beautiful play there, strictly off the same freaking zone. 3 plays already, right? Same week, same zone. 2 longs earlier in the week, 1 short, and then today, fucking beautiful Friday. Look at this shit, bro. Literally I entered this position. We had a break above that zone, right? Break above my daily. We broke above my daily. Right, once we broke above my daily, we pulled back, retested that. Once I retested, I entered. This was prior to market open, right? I had a resistance all the way up here. I made the call, right? At 9:20 on the live with my students. I made the call. I got on live with them roughly around 9 o'clock. I was already in this trade prior. I seen that we were still having bullish momentum, and I knew that once market opened, we were gonna have that ride up. And so I pretty much had a 16 pip stop loss for the team. Myself, I had a 23 pip stop loss, never came back, smashed my targets again off the same zone. Now this is just like, I'm pretty much just showing you guys that it's pretty simple to trade as long as you know what you're doing and you're not chasing trades, right? You're not here gambling. Risk management's got to be on point, psychology's got to be on point. But that's all trading is, bro. You got to know your zones, psychology, risk management, and keep it simple, bro. I literally took 4 trades this week off the same zone. 3 longs, 1 short, all played out beautifully. Just let them come to my zone, took the trade, fucking profits. That's how simple trading could be sometimes, man. Just wanted to do a quick little video breaking this down. I'll see y'all on Sunday breakdown for my team. If you're not in my team, you're missing out. Link's gonna be down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow the guys on Instagram, and I'll see y'all on Sunday. And YouTube family, I'll see y'all soon. Bow!